How to fix iPhone slow charging after updating to iOS 17. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. If your iPhone is charging slowly after updating to iOS 17, then let's go ahead and fix it. Launch the Settings application on your device and tap on Battery and then on Battery Health and Charging. Make sure the toggle button for optimized battery charging is toggled on. Next, check for further updates. To check, tap on General and then on Software Update. See if there is any new update available. If yes, go ahead and update your device further as new update fixes bugs and the overall functionality of your iPhone. Also, it is very important to take a note of few external things. First, make sure you are using an Apple certified charging cable. Using a non-certified cable can lead to slow charging or even damage your device further. Also, make sure that you are using at least an 18-watt power adapter. Next, inspect the charging cable for any visible signs of wear or damage such as frayed wires or bent connectors. If you find any, then go ahead and replace your cable. Also, check your device charging port for debris or lint. Gently clean it by using a soft brush or compressed air. Make sure not to damage the port and to clean it well. After ensuring all these, restart your device as restarting the device fixes majority of issues on your iPhone and your iPhone should have been fixed by now. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.